What's up, tech fans, and welcome back. Today we're getting a sneak peek at one of the most anticipated foldable phones of the year, the Honor Magic V Flip 2. This isn't just another flip phone, it's a massive leap forward for the form factor, and it's making some serious waves. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk design. The Magic V Flip 2 is sleek, and Honor has really refined the look from its predecessor. You've got four stunning colors: a sophisticated titanium sky gray, a classic moonshadow white, a dreamy dawn purple, and a special, sparkling blue variant in collaboration with fashion icon Jimmy Choo. The dual cameras on the back are now the same size, giving it a much more symmetrical and polished look. But what's a foldable without a great display? The Magic V Flip 2 features a 6.82-inch internal LTPO AMOLED screen with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Honor is claiming a significant improvement in durability, with the display capable of withstanding 350,000 folds and a crease that's barely there, less than 50 micrometers, to be exact. This is a game changer for anyone worried about the long-term integrity of a foldable screen. The 4-inch cover screen is also a 120Hz LTPO panel, giving you a full fluid experience even when the phone is closed. Under the hood, the Magic V Flip 2 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. It will measure 6.9 mm thick and weigh 204 grams. Now for the cameras. This is where Honor is really trying to set itself apart. The Magic V Flip 2 is rumored to be the first flip-style foldable to pack a 200-megapixel primary sensor, paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. That's a huge step up and puts it squarely in flagship territory. On the front, you'll find a 50-megapixel selfie camera. We're expecting some seriously high-resolution, detailed shots from this thing. The spec sheet gets even more exciting when you look at the power. Honor is rumored to have put a colossal 5,500 mAh battery inside this slim device, which would make it the largest battery in a clamshell foldable by a long shot. This could finally put an end to the foldable battery anxiety that many users feel. To top it off, you're getting 80-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging, so you won't be tethered to a wall for long. While we're still waiting on official pricing and a confirmed global release date, the specs alone make the Magic V Flip 2 a formidable contender. It's launching in China on August 21st, and pre-orders are already live. If Honor can deliver on these promises, they could have a true hit on their hands. What do you think? Is this the foldable that finally convinces you to make the switch? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.